Hi there, this is Watson from 911 Studios. Today we're going to take a look at the top 3 solar generators rated by fans. Here we go. The FlashFish 300 watt solar generator. This portable power station is great for camping, CPAP battery recharging, and can be recharged with a solar panel, wall outlet, or car outlet. The FlashFish has over 1,500 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. This 222 watt-hour backup supply has wide applications, making it suitable for tons of different devices. The 110 volt AC outlet can charge your CPAP machine, tablet, laptop, operate a TV, fan, Christmas lights, etc. And the 12 volt DC ports can be used for car vacuums, car refrigerators, air fans, car chargers, etc. The USB ports can be used to charge your phones, drones, iPad, GPS, and more. It can be recharged with a solar panel, which is not included, or with a wall outlet or car outlet. The compact unit has a carrying handle. It's 9.8 by 3 by 5 inches and weighs in at just over 5 pounds. Now, let's check out a fantastic review from this product called CPAP Machine Powered for 3 Nights. This portable generator was purchased to run a CPAP while camping without electricity. I did purchase an additional DC plug for the CPAP as I read it used less energy than the plug. I also turned off the dehumidifier. It worked flawlessly for 3 nights without charging. I like that this shows how much battery you have left while charging at home, and while charging at home shows when it's fully charged. I felt it was a good value for the money versus buying a specialty battery for the CPAP. Well, there you go. You can pick this up on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery, at the ROCKPALS 250 watt portable generator, rechargeable lithium battery pack, solar generator with 110 volt AC outlet, 12 volt car outlet, USB output. It's an off-grid power supply for CPAP and a backup for camping and emergency purposes. And the solar panel is sold separately. This generator has a little over 1,500 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Very nice. ROCKPALS is a great brand and offers several other models too, with and without solar panels, so you can check those out on the listing as well. This 250 watt unit has 300 watt max surge and dual AC outputs, built-in 2 USB outlets, and 4 DC 12 volt outlets. It's perfect for emergency backup power for your home or travel, camping, charging your tablets, iPhone, iPad, laptop, fans, operating the TV, lights, and using for CPAP machines. And you can use the DC converter with your CPAP to get longer hours. The unit is compact at 8 by 4 by 6 inches and weighs 2.7 kilograms. It can also be recharged in 3 different ways. First by the solar panel, which is sold separately, or it can be plugged into the wall outlet or a car outlet. And the pure sine wave power inverter offers clean power to your sensitive devices. Let's take a look at a fantastic review by KC Martel, a verified purchaser, called Much Better Choice Than a Traditional Inverter. I travel full-time in a travel trailer, and friends have been trying to convince me to set up an inverter to run my TV to the house batteries. I've been very hesitant because I don't need to run much, but I like having the option of being able to watch TV without the generator on. Been using this one for the past 2.5 weeks, and it's been running the TV great. Usually I fall asleep before the battery is used up. I was able to calculate that it ran my 40 watt 24 inch Samsung LED TV for 7.5 hours, starting from a full charge. He also added an update. Great all year, no issues at all. I reached out to ROCKPALS when I realized I didn't get one of the adapters with my order, and they sent it to me right away, no questions asked. Great product, great customer service, highly recommended. Well, there you go, folks. Order yours today. It's available on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. So order yours today. You're gonna love it. Today we're going to look at the Jackery SolarSaga 100 watt portable solar panel for the Explorer 240, 300, 500, and 1000 power stations. It's a foldable US solar cell solar charger with USB outputs for phones. And note, this can't be used with the 440 and Power Pro. Founded in California in 2012, Jackery specializes in providing outdoor green power solutions for explorers. They also have several other products in this listing, so check those out as well. It's a quiet generator and this panel offers eco-friendly, quiet, and clean power, ideally suited for outdoor life and unexpected power outages. Its high conversion efficiency rate is up to 23%, so you can generate more energy and perform better than conventional panels in hot weather. And don't forget it does have USB outputs, so you can charge small devices like phones, tablets, digital cameras, and more. Now let me share with you a fantastic review by Andy, a verified purchaser. Very well constructed, good quality. Tried it on my Jackery Explorer 500, got 67 watts, which I thought was excellent considering it was on a December day in Vancouver Island in Canada. I'm looking forward to trying it out more if the rain ever stops here. All in all, it seems to be an excellent product, although not the least expensive. Well, there you go, you can pick it up on Amazon Prime though, which means free shipping and free delivery. So order today, you're gonna love it.